Hi, Sarah here with a planner project for you today. I'm using this ephemera and journal card pack called Autumn Girl. That's by Fab Planner Print. I do have a code which is 10 Sarah if you want to get a discount on that, and I will leave links to the shop below. So I'm going to be making a cash envelope, and the first thing I want to do is take this envelope, which I know will fit nicely in my A5 planner. Just pick any envelope you think will fit nicely, and I am gluing it down because I want to make my own opening for that. And then I'm just taking a piece of pattern paper and I'm just creating a front and a back out of that, making sure that the thickness is slightly thicker than the envelope so that I can punch holes down the side without it putting holes into the actual envelope underneath. Now that I have done that, I'm now just trimming down my papers so that they're the right size to go in my planner. And now I will just take some walnut stain distress ink and a blending tool and just ink the edges, just so that it takes away the white edge there and just makes them blend together nicely. So I've done that on both of them. I did cut that little bit out so you didn't have to watch me do the whole thing. So now I'm just taking off some of this envelope, and now I've made myself a new opening, like a little pocket. So now I'm going to add loads of adhesive down one side of the envelope like so, and then I will add that against one side of my pattern paper. I want it against one side because I need the other side, as you'll see in a minute. And now I'm just doing the same for the other side, making sure I've got my paper the right way up and the right way round. And now I'm just adding adhesive to the other side of the pocket there too. And then I will line it up the same as with the other side so that the paper is sticking out one side of the envelope, like so. So I've got that little gap there. Now I'm just checking that I've put the envelope in the right way up there. I'm just adding a little bit more ink around the edge here, just to make sure there's no white edges peeking through. And next up I need to measure out my hole, so I'm just going to put that against my planner and take a uniball gel pen and just add the dots on, because it's quite dark paper this, so I've just added it in white just so that I can measure out where to punch the holes. And now I'm taking my ephemera from the ephemera pack and adding in my little title, because this is a cash envelope and it's going to contain my coupons or vouchers, depending where you come from, my money and receipts, so that I can keep track weekly of what I'm spending. So I'm just using this glue pen by Prima just to glue down my little pieces of ephemera, because of course it is going in my planner. I have resisted adding extra volume to this. If I was doing it as a scrapbook layout, I'd be layering things up and having dimensional adhesive behind them, but because it's going in my planner, the most dimensional bit is just the thickers, which have just got a little bit of height to them. And I've just added extra glue behind them because it does need to withstand a little bit of wear and tear, not too much. It doesn't come with me out of the house, it's just somewhere for me to keep just every week all the documents I need in there. I've got a few leftover bits and bobs in this little container, which is just all autumnal things, so I just went through that and added some tiny word stickers and some enamel dots, which I thought suited it well. And now I'm just adding some gold Heidi Swap colour shine, and then I do also add some white ink and some white lines around the edge of this as well, which unfortunately my camera did cut out, so you didn't get to see that, but here you can see I've just doodled some little hearts on there as well. I just felt like that blended the white outline of my ephemera in with the actual background. And then, as you can see, I just add some money or add my vouchers, and then a little post-it on the back if I want to write some notes, and it's right next to my budget planner so that I can write things down, keep track of what I spent. So thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to see more from me, then please like and subscribe if you haven't before, and have a great day. Bye.